Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Cooku Mikum Rice Cooker 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked, a versatile and advanced rice cooker that utilizes fuzzy logic technology to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time, making it perfect for individuals and families who value convenience and ease of use in their kitchen. This rice cooker is designed for those who want to cook a variety of dishes, including rice, porridge, and other grains, with minimal effort and cleaning required. Let me break down the specs. The Cooku Mikum Rice Cooker features a 5.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels and a brightness of 300 nits, allowing for clear and easy-to-read operation. The cooker has a 12-cup cook capacity, with a 6-cup uncooked capacity, and utilizes a non-stick inner pot for easy cleaning and cooking. The Fuzzy Logic chip is a specialized processor that automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for perfect results. The cooker also features a delay timer, allowing for up to 12 hours of delayed cooking, and a keep warm setting that can maintain a temperature of 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 12 hours. The cooker weighs 11.2 pounds and has dimensions of 10.2 by 10.8 by 8.1 inches, making it a compact and space-efficient addition to any kitchen. The cooker also features a steam vent and a detachable inner lid for easy cleaning. The Cooku Mikum Rice Cooker has a 120V 60Hz power rating and a 500-watt heating element. The cooker is also equipped with a thermal sensor, which monitors and adjusts the cooking temperature to prevent overheating. In real-world use, the Cooku Mikum Rice Cooker performs exceptionally well. The cooker's fuzzy logic technology ensures that rice is cooked to perfection every time, with the right balance of texture and moisture. The delay timer and keep warm settings are also highly convenient, allowing for easy meal planning and preparation. The non-stick inner pot is easy to clean, and the cooker's compact design makes it a great addition to any kitchen. The cooker's build quality is also excellent, with a sturdy and durable construction that can withstand regular use. The audio quality of the cooker's beeping alerts is also clear and loud, making it easy to know when cooking is complete. Real-world reviews praise the Cooku Mikum Rice Cooker's ability to cook a wide variety of dishes, including rice, porridge, and other grains, with many users commenting on the cooker's ease of use and cleaning. Users also love the cooker's delay timer and keep warm settings, which make it easy to plan and prepare meals in advance. Additionally, users praise the cooker's compact design and sturdy construction, which makes it a great addition to any kitchen.